Hey readers, welcome back. If you are joining me today, then you probably just finished doing Roll the Full Snowball with me and have this cute little story I wrote for you. But I thought we could practice some of our Roll the Full Snowball words before you do some of that practicing at home. So just a reminder, we have our Roll the Full Snowball rule, and I had you pretend you were rolling that snowball. We put our mittens on so we could stay nice and warm. But just a reminder, when we have the double L, LL after A, U, or O, that LL changes the sound of those vowels. So OLL says ol, like roll. ULL says ol, like full. And ALL says all, like ball or snowball. And so let's do some practicing together. I'm going to give you some different words that were in our Roll the Full Snowball story, and we can practice those together. So, just as a reminder, I think I will do it this way. ALL says all. OLL says all. ULL says all. And we'll keep reviewing that. So all. Okay. My word is ball. All. So here's your kind of hint or clue. If you have, if it kind of makes that O sound, it's going to be all. If it makes that long vowel O, ol. And if we don't hear anything at all, if we don't hear a vowel sound at all, it's going to be that ol sound. So I have b, all. Well, I hear that ah, so I know it's going to be ball. Okay, how about roll? O. I heard that long O. Roll. Once you get the hang of what that vowel sound is going to be, then it's a little bit easier to practice some of those sounds. Okay, paper's going crazy. Okay, let's do full. Full. Okay, I didn't hear a vowel sound. So, didn't hear the vowel sound. Full. So that, I hope, is helpful. Okay. Let's try the word troll. Troll. I hear that blend at the beginning. Oh, my marker. Come on. Oh. I heard that long O. Oh. Troll. How about ball? Oh, we already did ball. Hall. Oh, I heard that short vowel O. All. Hall. You might also just know the sight word all, and that can be helpful as well. All right, let's do tall. All. I hear that chunk again. Tall. All right, let's do small. I hear that short vowel again. Small. Okay, let's do bull. Bull. The bull had really long horns. Bull. I didn't hear a vowel sound, so I know it's going to be ULL. All right, let's try pull. Pull. I didn't hear a vowel sound, so I know It's going to be ULL. Oh, how about mall? Mall. Ah. I hear that short vowel sound. Mall. All right, how about the word toll? Oh, I hear that long vowel sound. Oh, this kind of toll is like I hear a bell toll. Ding, ding. The bell started to toll. This can also mean like a fee you have to pay for using like a bridge or a road. Sometimes there's toll bridges or toll roads. You pay a little bit of money to use a road. All right, how about the word full? Full. I don't hear that. Full. All right, how about call? Don't forget to call your mom. K, k, k. Ooh, k. I hear the k sound. Is it a C or is it a K? We've talked about these rules before. If you hear it, we're going to use K. If you hear an E, I, or Y sound after the k sound, we use a C if we have A, O, or U after. So my word is k, all. I hear a short vowel sound. It's an A, so I'm going to need my C. K, all. How about pull? Pull. P, all. How about, let's do roll one more time. R, oh, oh. I want us to get in that habit. Okay, just a couple of more. How about wall? Wah, wah, wah. Ah, wall. All right. Fantastic job. Just a reminder. Oh, I have my story, but I wanted my anchor charts. Just a reminder, when you have the LL after A, O, or U, it's going to change the vowel sound. So that is our roll the snowball rule. I want you to really be thinking about rolling that snowball till it's nice and full. And that should help you when you are reading and writing these words. All right. Excellent job, readers. I'll see you next time.